Kita ambil.
Hello, hi.
And then so here we have chef. Let's go. Let's go, man. Yep.
Try this.
Oh, it's so cheesy, darling.
Oh, that's cheesy, man.
Ooh.
Okay. Try the green first.
It's like, you know the TGI Fridays, the macaroni and cheese ball.
Smells like that.
Cheese ball. Ooh. Yeah.
It's very cheesy inside. Oh my god. Oh, look how cheesy that.
This is cheesy, man.
Risotto? Is this risotto?
The breading is risotto.
According banana.
Okay.
Okay, what is this first?
Basically, risotto with cheese and fried pasta. Yeah. The meatball.
It's okay, baby. Later you order some more for you, okay?
Yeah, man.
Okay? So later you.
Later I order you nice food, man.
Do you eat the sayur also?
Later you order.
Itu dalam cabai lah.
Yeah. Little jam.
Coba nanti pergi guys. Okay. Right here and here. Come on, bro. Okay. Okay. Kamu bah, everyone. Pada action.
Oh, this one is nice.
One day action.
Okay.
Very good. So, dinner good? Yeah.
That was the first course.
First appetizer is right?
Kita ambil. In.
Naan. Naan chicken.
Yeah, I don't.
Naan.
No. I don't eat chicken.
Not non-chicken.
Oh, non-chicken. Oh.
What was that?
Ravioli. Oh, very.
That's ravioli sauce.
No, the prawn beef sauce.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Nice budget, man. Nice. Good.
Siap-siap lah.
Good. Good.
The prawn beef is nice. Oh my god.
Okay.
How do you eat this?
Pasta.
It's pasta
Kilo.
with a stuffing inside.
Dia beko. So doing it, bro. Stories coming.
How is it nice, Haji?
Yeah.
About each person
This block.
That one. At first I got panic, you know. Why she woke up like that? At first I was all alone somehow.
Where's mine? Lisa's food.
Yeah. Being ready. Like,
No. Just relax. My one daging lain, yours daging babi.
I think you can have it.
Shut the fuck up, you lah. Pop the show. Hey, off, bang.
You're in my video, okay?
Oh,
No lah, don't.
Okay, but together.
Don't want.
Alright.
Annoying like you.
Dia macam ni lah kan ni.
Yummy.
Ravioli.
Okay.
Very interesting. Taste.
Oh, we never tried ravioli before.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, this is good.
Good, right?
It's better than what is.
What
So little but so good.
Yeah.
Why Chan? Nasty.
Okay, your normal one is like pork. Now worse. More like New Zealand pork. What's it called?
It's prawn sauce. It's a prawn bisque. Meaning it's a sauce made from whatever.
She is very good.
Where's my Chan?
So she left in the morning, family dinner. So family breakfast.
Family dinner.
Family time.
On the back.
Going JB tomorrow.
Tomorrow, let's do one more night.
Morning.
My own place is still.
You got
It's still a come.
Thank you.
How's the chicken beef?
It's really good. The sauce is awesome.
Take a lot of pictures. Kita tak sempat ambil gambar.
Good.
Prawn is salmon.
Yeah, trout. Trout is like salmon like that. Wow.
Alright, man.
It's so nice.
So nice to see, eh?
The hand ni lah, the prawn is the hand there lah. Okay lah, kita take you using the hand.
You touch helicopter, better wash your hand.
Dah lah, take out dulu.
Oh, they already opened the prawn for us.
Open it lah.
Yeah. Dah buka lah.
So long. You eat the one shell.
What's it?
The fish skin.
Oh.
The fish skin is on top.
So good. This is what raw, yeah. You want it? Don't eat raw.
No, it's not really raw. I think
Or smoke, okay.
Thank you. Padahal tak makan eh?
this is the sauce.
Fish skin like purple liquid. Just salmon.
Today I 74.5.
Trout is trout salmon. They are like the same family. Right?
Yeah. You let me try about this. It's very soft lah.
No, yeah.
It's really soft.
Eat lah.
Also, you went to the toilet.
The skin spicy. Oh, spicy.
Come like this lah one thing.
The skin is spicy. It's quite spicy.
Sedap lah, it's soft lah.
Sedap?
So today don't need to drink mak.
Wow. How you do salmon like that so they're round?
Oh, nice, huh? I think this is very special. I never had this kind of.
This extra sauce.
Thank you.
Oh, this sauce.
Kalau saya nak sauce.
Special sauce.
Here, Atika follow here. Go here like a man.
What?
Say something that's it only.
I think it's better with that sauce.
Don't even have a voice.
The bisque? You prepare it with the bisque?
Yeah.
That's your parents.
We just left the supermarket.
Oh, they're buying food at the supermarket for us.
You want a sauce today?
For themselves. Oh, you still got the sauce if you want.
I don't know how to mash that.
Oh, that's true. I'll try.
The trout is damn good. I think Uncle eat like this every day.
I'm saying every day.
Every day you wait that so long as
But I see his Instagram like everyday post.
you take that old photo.
When you go to the restaurant, it's not there so.
Yeah, this trout is really good.
Yeah.
I like the trout.
Why are you laughing?
Of course.
What?
Oh, everything?
Free I do only one lah.
Oh yeah, I saw.
Oh, so far away, Setia
Tapi
Alam.
rumah dia jam cantik lah.
Memang lah,
Yeah,
Setia
yeah.
Alam.
Dia nak pindah Damansara. So I said like, lah. I just takut my hand jadi like that. Kan dia macam like gelebing and then jatuh kan.
Because of lipo.
Tapi dia tak pernah work out ni.
Oh, maybe because of that also you have
But
to.
she did bariatric, right? She's from 90 over. Now she's 59. You prefer this one or the previous one?
This one.
This one lah.
The rooms are all nicer here, so modern.
So nice here.
You wake up to see the rooms are like nicer, like wow, better. The other one like
Toilet way better.
toilet's way nicer.
But that one, the toilet.
Itu the best.
This one. But I like the layout of the last.
Ulan join fine dining. Oh, you sayang.
Okay, main course is the baby.
Oh, wow.
Looks good though.
Wow, that looks good.
Why lah? I should be fat.
Wow.
I think tomorrow I have to eat.
Hai, saya ni makan dulu, okay?
You cannot.
Jadi jaga you, ya. You go makan first, baby.
Masak lagi.
Wow.
Good, you.
Yeah, the cheese. And the
Try this.
cheese. Real cheese. Oh, they got that.
Yeah, they got extra sauce.
Right. What is this on top?
This is like a butter, is it?
Butter.
So let's just run the steak lah.
This is my first time eating steak, medium rare. Yes, medium rare. Medium rare, right?
Medium rare.
Looks like medium rare.
It's damn raw, eh?
Yeah, actually. Oh, sorry. I want to.
This is medium rare.
Medium. That's not
Medium is like that.
See, I need curry of
How's that look? I think how looks good now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
that
told
was-
you guys to cook more.
Oh yeah, now it's good. Yeah, man.
Yeah, now it looks better, see?
He heat up with the water pack thingy.
Oh, I know, the sous vide.
Yeah, sous vide. Then he only pan fried a bit outside. Then like yours, he cook longer lah for you.
No.
I like Attica sauce, but I eat that all the time. That's why I like this one because it's not easy to get the sous vide type. So it's only 6 hours, you know.
Yeah. No wonder you say cannot add on packs. I wanted to add on packs.
I want pork belly.
Itu tu.
Wow.
You know, yo.
This is the last course.
Crazy man. Surung eh.
Eh, kita orang tengah fine dine, you nak nasi lemak ni.
They very full lah again.
That was good, huh?
They very full
You
lah.
want to try Attica one bite?
What also masak lagi?
No. How you raw like that?
Nanti ada chocolate. Then only the steamed roti lah. Go back steamed roti lah. We think you the steamed roti here.
Please don't. Don't
Steam lah. We don't steam. We just steam.
Don't have the what?
Mixi lah. You mixi for apa?
Enough lah, I'm fine dining, don't kacau me lah.
Okay.
I don't feel it. Still got one more. Are you still recording?
So good.
Yeah.
One more lah. Yeah.
Ready?
So good.
Why don't you both go back home?
Yeah.
They come the phone now. Do you want to?
You
Kill. Burn and give you.
You just burn only.
Yeah, it's very filling.
It's good.
Just ask one.
Oh, looks good.
Mak balik. Boleh.
Where's Ezra?
Behind you. Yo.
But she's really behind the key. Something wrong with it.
Pantal, tudak.
It was right beside you.
Too funny.
Okay lah, fine. How many hours in here?
Oh my god. Get some from ours lah. Take lah, wagyu lah, mom. Yeah.
Mom.
I
Try
don't
some meat, Mom.
finish.
You go to the kitchen. Memang tipu lah, aku beli tadi.
This is then the can.
Kitchen Malay. Yeah, very nice. Eat and cook. The concept.
Dia buat Melayu tapi fine dining. Wow, it's really good.
Jadi I went to Sai Pasal ke tak ada. Kat Bukit Jalan Pavilion.
This is good. Oh, this is good. But this is like for 3 person. So I gotta
So,
give you.
I cannot. I full.
Tak apa, itu apa tu?
This one my meat. This one I give the meat lah, and then try some food. Right?
Okay.
I pass you the meat. I share with you.
Yeah.
And then try some nice food.
I want that photo, man. Jin.
I like the cake. Memang tak muak.
Tiramisu is really good.
Yeah, it's very good. This one's good.
There goes my diet.
Wow.
Kakak give kakak.
Cake.
Ada kek.
Mai makan cake.
Ini mahal tu.
Kek
Dia
enak,
lapis
enak.
biskuit ni.
Enak banget.
Untuk kau ambil. Tak, ambil tak.
Kamu makan cake.
Nanti makan pagi balik.
Makan sini dulu.